So async-await, promise chaining, what are these mechanisms used for? Well, both of these mechanisms aim to do the same thing. They try to help us handle asynchronous code in a synchronous manner. So it doesn't mean our asynchronous code is turning into synchronous code. When we make a request to a server, it's still taking time to come back. So promises are still being used to make sure the thread of JavaScript isn't blocked. It can keep running our code. But it can be hard to manage. Let's take exhibit A here. I'm going to go grab the Rick and Morty API because it provides us a couple URLs. I'm going to grab them all here.
And async means at the same time, right?
Async means not synchronous.
Not the same. Okay.
So like something can go out and something else is also occurring at the same time. Other languages like Java are multi-threaded, so they don't need things like promises. We can say this thread should go handle this request while this thread keeps running the code. JavaScript is single-threaded. We can only run one statement at a time. So we needed some way of handling something that takes more than a split second to fire, like a server request. So let's say when our page loads, we would like to go get all characters, all locations, and all episodes, and have them all saved in state. But we only want to set state once, because we don't want to have to re-render our app unnecessarily. So how would we handle this right now without the knowledge of what we're about to go over?
Just throw them in there.
Yeah, maybe first I'd go get the characters. Then it will come back. res.data.results is the characters array on this API. So we'd say, this dot set state, update characters to be res.data.results. Cool, and that will do the first one just fine. But then how would I then go get my locations as well? Yeah, would we just, he was like, well, when you do that, also go do this. And will this work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you change the characters.
Yeah. Should be episodes. And we'll update episodes. So let's start this. Oh, it is started. Let's see it working now in the console. If I check the console, 404 not found. I messed up on a URL. It's episode, not episodes.
How do you know that?
I checked the documentation. I have it sitting over here. Oh, and then we need to console log state.
Do we even need a separate copy or just stick the
You guys all connect to internet fine?
Most of us can, a couple can't.
I can't.
You can just take the same result and then just